Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Beyonce's Halo on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to standard EJ. Grab a capo, some picks, and find a comfortable spot. A quiet environment helps you focus on learning. Preparing your space and tools makes the learning process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get ready to make some music. Now, let's dive into the essential chords for Halo. You'll need to master the C, G, M, and F major chords. Take your time to practice each one individually, making sure every note rings out clearly. Then, focus on transitioning smoothly between them. Consistent practice with these four chords is key to building a strong foundation for the song. Next, we'll tackle a simple strumming pattern that works perfectly for Halo. Try a basic down-up motion. The most important thing is to maintain a consistent and steady rhythm. Begin by playing it very slowly, focusing on accuracy, and then gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. This pattern will bring the song to life. Finally, let's put everything together to play Halo with ease. Start by combining the chords you learned with the strumming pattern. Practice each section of the song individually before trying to play it all the way through. Listening to the original track will help you capture the correct timing and overall feel. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing Halo beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.